Hey there, friends. Ever wanted to spice up your Gmail profile picture with some cool animation like this? Well, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'll guide you step by step through the process. It's super easy, so let's dive in and give your Gmail a fresh animated vibe. Stay tuned and let's get started. Step number 1. You need to remove the background from the profile picture you want to use. To remove the background, simply go to your browser and search for remove.bg. Once you're on the website, upload your picture, and the tool will help you remove the background effortlessly. Step number 2, open your browser and search for Jitter Video. Sign up on the platform. It is so easy. Just follow my simple steps and you'll have your account ready in few seconds. Once you've completed the sign-up process, click on Create New File. Set the size to 360 by 360 pixels. Now, bring in the image whose background you removed earlier. Adjust the image as needed. Afterward, choose a suitable background for your image. After that, we'll animate our picture. You'll find a variety of animations on the platform. Pick the ones you like. First, let's apply the in animation, and then we'll follow it up with the out animation. Once you're satisfied, click on the export button and download the file in GIF format. Step number 3, now you can change your Gmail profile picture. Now, instead of a simple picture, upload the GIF file that we just created. You can now see that our animated profile picture is in action. Let's put it to the test. Send an email to someone and see if the animation works. You can see that our profile is animated and working. You can follow these steps to animate your Gmail profile. If you liked this tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.